Here we are at 19988 Hickory. We've shown this one before, but now we're finished. And here is the final video. Here we are at 19988 Hickory. Here's the mess she left. Hard to believe somebody was living here. But
earlier at 5, we showed you how one Detroit woman was moved by the city from her rental to a hotel because of the conditions inside the home. Well, now, Help Me Hank demanding answers from the management company.
New front door, new paint, new blinds, brand new carpet, living room, hallway, bathroom, hallway here, hall closet. Here's the bathroom, new vanity, floor, paint, new tile surround. Bedroom 1. There were dogs here that she just left. Out here into bedroom 1. Closet there. Bedroom 2. Closet in that corner. Here we go upstairs. There's her bed. That's a beauty. And the best part for last. Then we go upstairs. Nice big room up here. Nice high ceiling here. Not all of them are this high. Back out in the living room. Here's the dining room, kitchen. I don't know if you can hear all the flies buzzing, but dining room. Nice new glass block window there for good light. Brand new kitchen. Appliances there. Gas stove, and then the fridge in that corner. And this is why the judges leave people in houses. Oh, they're their homes. Look at the dog shit.
Things were so bad, the city got her out of the house that you managed and into a hotel right away.
Let's just throw the garbage down the basement steps. Unbelievable. There we are, 19988 Hickory. Disgusting. And down the basement. Nice Clean basement. New furnace and water heater will go right there on Tuesday before the tenant moves in. New utility sink, some of the furnace parts. Nice glass block down here for good natural light. Updated electrical. PEX plumbing. And that's it. 19988 Hickory.